What's up everyone and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel. Hope that you're all doing very well as always. Real pleasure to record these updates. We are going to update that one because we planned some trades all the way down here. I told you the more I want. 123, 1618 here. Okay, well, as you know, of course, some trades low. If you want to take this out, how far it can go on Bitcoin, I have to go and watch the last update, the last video clearly. Maybe you can add it by the way on the top here, top right. But anyway, here we find our boons of the 123. I'm not saying that it's a bottom. This is not normally the bottom at all, by the way. We should go more down, but anyway, this is possible. Now, this is where we find our support. I just told to find some more confidence with your targets, and this is what I did, by the way, yesterday with you. I clearly gave you the confidence here. That was a daily level, the last support here before to break the previous big low on Bitcoin. So that was a daily level right there. I thought that we are approaching the level right there. You can see here we was approaching this daily level again, and this have been hit. That gives us a nice 300% trade long X50. I mean, yes, this is X50, but I mean, this is just absolutely insane. I plan one level to show, I mean, some levels to show for you right before the drop happened, right there. You can see here, right? This was the first time we planned in a free public update right here, and after we have done this, I'm not giving you any good targets before because I'm telling you these are not really high probability targets before. The only good target start from the 123 to the 1618. You don't have to find your confidence without what is the confidence, the daily level. We just did an exact bounce off this daily level. When I sleep like at 3 AM if I'm not mistaken, something like this, even more by the way, and that's why I'm a bit tired today. But anyway, so after we shorted at top here, we longed the exact bottom of the exact bottom here. This is just absolutely insane, and everything by updating you everything on the Discord server. So if you're not on it yet, I highly recommend you to do it. And also on Twitter, by the way, I'm going to go on Twitter really quickly. I also updated with you this on Twitter, so I was like, yeah, pump it more for the community so they can enjoy this pump here. Like, yeah, we're approaching the daily, all the stuff like this, sharing with you, of course, my predictions, all the stuff like this. But don't forget to subscribe to the Twitter account, Extremely Important 2. And if you want to join a cool Discord server, you can get some Bitcoin update. You're exactly at the right place. If now you're a close subscriber or VIP, you're going to understand why that after this quick introduction, but you're going to get all of this. So anyway, I'll let you with this quick introduction and we're good to update Bitcoin. You want to master the chart. You are bored about losing money by buying tops, by selling bottoms. The only thing you need is to learn a technical analysis. This is why today I'm here to teach you Elliott Waves. That is clear the technical analysis that is going to predict the next move, the next possible move. And in addition to Elliott Waves, I'm going to be here to teach you ExoCharts. That is a tool you use, a software, or on the website by the way, you use clearly to see data behind the market. So for example, it will allow you to find your best entries in addition to Elliott Waves, and more obviously it will allow you to determine if you have to take a trade or not. So this is absolutely a waste. Elliott Wave plus ExoCharts is just something crazy. These are just the best you can learn clearly to predict the next move and to ride the market, the crypto market, really nicely. So if you want to master the chart, as I said before, you just have to go on the mooncharts.fr website right in the description, and you will find absolutely everything you need. Anyway, I'll let you enjoy this video. Alright, so we're going to start this. So I'm gonna go on the 8 hours maybe. So now, are we done with the bottom? No, normally we should not be done with the bottom. First of all, why this is less likely to be done with the bottom? First of all, simply because, so we bounced off this daily level right there, okay? Daily level I gave you. I mean, this was the real last support before to break the previous low. So are you going to expect to get some reaction there? Yes, of course, yes. We did not get any reactions on every single support we got all the way down here. I mean, of course, I feared some scalp. I mean, yesterday was really an insane day. This is the amount of trades I feared here. That was absolutely insane. I really feared some crazy amount of trades all the way down, longs and shorts. I mean, no, only one or two shorts. I don't remember anyway. I just enjoyed my short. Also, all the way down here. I mean, that was short for a day trade. Of course, I'm short from higher with the sub accounts. That's why I cannot share this profit. But anyway, with this, I already feel short yesterday. Just a VWAP retest, and that gives us with a nice 400% trade. This is just pretty insane. After boom, a 3%, 300% trade. I mean, this is just pretty insane. So yeah, why this is, we can expect to get some reactions there because we did not got any reactions on every single support here. I mean, of course we got some scalp to take, but not crazy like this. So we are approaching the last support. This is the last support clearly before to break the previous low. So what are we going to expect? First of all, to go completely through that one, to just break everything. In that case, we just dump it clearly. Okay, we go to the next target, or we get a bounce. Two possibilities. If you really know the flow, you know what to expect clearly. As you can see here, this was a daily level on the bottom here. If you read this, I just finished the live stream with VIPs to see how to take this long. If you read this, you're absolutely fine because you know if you have to take it long or not. As I said for VIPs yesterday, data, I mean, we're approaching the daily. Data are absolutely, I mean, data are okay, clear to take a long. We have to see if we can get a bounce. We just have to see if we can get the bounce. And personally, I don't care to get a bounce because this is in my plan. What I plan here is this daily level. We plan a lot of targets all the way down with VIPs. For day traders, for swing traders, of course, less targets, but for day traders, we have to be aware of absolutely every single support and resistance because we have to be aware of every single possible rejection, every single possible bounce. So this was a target for a while. I mean, this daily level have been printed when we have closed this daily candle here. So we have been waiting for this daily to be hit for all of this. So I mean, I was not really waiting for that, but this was an old daily level here. That is the last support clear. So here, yes, we can expect some reactions, and the reactions was to go through really quickly, but data was less likely going to do this. So we just wait for the bounce of that with the order flow. If we read this. This is a crazy stuff because here on the bottom here we got some shorts coming in. I mean, not crazy amount. We still got a nice minus 10 million negative delta here, 14 millions negative delta here, some really minus 21 million of delta here. I mean, some really nice shorts coming in, some new longs next. So yeah, I mean, this is a long to take 30%. We have done an exact touch of the level here. I'm not joking at all. We have done really an exact touch of the level and a bounce of that next. That gives us, I mean, after we shorted the top here, so after I give you a nice, I mean, not only this by the way, because I give you also on the YouTube channel this top here to short. So after I give you this short here, if we can take this one, that give you a nice 31% move to the downside on Bitcoin to trade. After I give you that plus another 25% move to the downside, I'm giving to you that I mean, this is not a real call. I can't tell you that this was a long 100% to take. No, this was not a long 100% to take because we can absolutely go through. But now this was the last support of Bitcoin, so we expect to get some reactions. And after I'm giving you these two shorts, I mean, a nice 10% move almost to the upside to ride on Bitcoin. It's just absolutely insane. I mean, if you're just trading this market like really crazy, like just, yeah, I don't know, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so I can really see that you just enjoy the work clearly. Anyway, so yeah, here just with a wave count. Now what we can see here, I think that is a wave 4 first of all. Okay, there is still some different possible wave count here. Okay, I'm more with an ABC here to the downside. This is the right one, yes. There are some different possibilities. For example, I'm maybe going to place it like this, to be honest with you, and take, for example, the case that we have done a leading here and that was not an ending, for example. I really don't like it. Like, really don't like it. But this is a possible move, you know, like we have done an ABC like this. I mean, the wave 5 are in that case terrible because the wave 5 here is, the wave 5 here, because that will be, we can draw that on the wave 1, 2, 3, 4 is a triangle here, so wave 4 top is here, and then the wave 5. The wave 5 do not reach the first rate, that is the 618 here. So in that case, we do not expect to be done with the wave 5, so we expect to be done with the wave 5 later. Okay, so that's why I do not like at all these 5 ways. Now it's just a personal point of view of this. You can absolutely be done with the 5 ways, and now we can be done with this and be in this configuration clearly. So now we can be in this B wave here. We was with a flat here, A, B, C. This is why you feel a little short here. So that's why normally we have a flat here. Now we can get acceptance and say, hey, we have done the A, B like this, and that's already okay. We just have to get acceptance. Why I'm saying this, because I'm going to show that we have a possible wave, oops, 1 here, okay, possible leading here. That is like an ending, by the way. 3, 4, okay, right there, and then a wave 5. This is one of the ugliest, if we can say it up, this is like a really ugly leading here, like 5 ways down, like a really crazy one. but these are some possible 5 ways. In that case, we'll have a wave 1, a wave 2 here. I mean, this looks like this is the only valid stuff on the RSI, to be honest with you. So that's why, because, for example, here, if we have done, for example, the B wave like this, the A wave like this, we have done the wave 4 here, and we have done the wave 5 here. In that case, here we have a double wave 1, 2, boom, 3, extra, and another wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, to finish. Problem is here, the wave 2 of the second wave 1 to here, this one, the wave 1 to here, have broken. You can see here the wave 1 root on the RSI, and this is not valid. This is an invalidation normally, and also the wave 1 root of the previous wave 1 to here. So normally this is not valid. Now this is still a possible invalid scenario here. Now this is normally an invalidation with the RSI. So that's why I'm not going to take this one. I'm going to take the big leading here, and why I'm going to take this one. Pull the fib, you're going to get the answer from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 bottom here to the wave 2 retracement. That will give you the wave 3 target, and guess where we bounce it off the 1618 here. That's why really just find your confidence with your target. Just think about the most easiest one, the more logic things, and you will find some really good targets. I'm not saying that this is a bottom, no, because that would be a wave 3. We should be in a wave 4, and we should drop next for a wave 5. So we should go maybe just swing for your pan, just swing for your pan, the price big low and pump it up, or go to the next target with planet clay, okay, with this wave 5. So now, what is the wave 4 target here? What is the wave 4 target? If we're in this configuration, in any case, even if we have the double wave 1 to 1 to here, the wave 2, I mean the wave 3 root is here, then we have the wave 3 bottom here. So how do we find the wave 4 target? Just place your retracement tool from the wave 3 bottom here to the wave 3 root, or the wave 2 top. That will be still a wave 2 top in the double wave 1 to 1 to here, 1 to 1 to here. That will be still the wave 3 root, okay? And in any case here, wave 1, wave 2, this is a wave 3 root. So in any case, this wave 4, we can find it easily, okay? So wait, by the way, just to finish with this wave 3, just to come back on this, because I say here we stop it on the 1620 here. That is a blue line. What is this 1620? This is the most common target for a wave 3. So we are normally dropping, so normally we expect to go to some maybe bigger, lower targets. Now we bounce it off that, and this is absolutely fine, okay? Next target is the 200% if we have to do the wave 3 later, okay? That one. 261 point here is the next target for the wave 3. For now, we bounce it off the 1618. This is pretty cool. I'm going to say that we have done this here. We have the lowest reach on the RSI for now. This is absolutely fine. We have this wave 1 to here. 3, we have to get a wave 4 like this that do not break the wave 2, and then a wave 5 where we should get a divergence. Sorry, these are my kittens. From the wave 3 low to the wave 5 here. Of course, not here, we should go more down here to touch the next targets, but here we should get a divergence normally on the RSI. Now, if we do not have the divergence, we're going to be on a bigger time frame. Just check if we have the divergence. If we do not have the divergence, we expect to still be in the wave 3. Simple and that, really. Okay. So here now, this was just for the wave 3. Okay, like this here. So now what we can do here is just to pull a fib, like I said, retracement from the wave 3 bottom. Okay. By the way, if you want to learn this, Fibonacci tools, you can absolutely create an account for free on the website. Just have to go there in the course section, Elliott Waves. You will not get this PDF this course 3, part 2, 4, and 5, but you will get this Elliott Waves course number 1 and course number 2, plus all the beginners course right there. So if you want to get some information, you can absolutely learn Elliott Wave for free. I mean, start to learn Elliott Wave for free. These are, I mean, even if you say, hey, this I absolutely don't care. There are all the stuff here is you have to pay. Yes, but this is the base of Elliott Waves, and the most important if you're really starting to learn Elliott Wave. And even if you know a bit how to use the Fibonacci tools, I do not have the same way to place and maybe to use the extension and retracement tools. That's why you really have to see that, because this is the way I'm using Elliott Waves. And I mean, to be honest with you, when I see all the YouTubers or some few stuff like this, how they are using Elliott Wave, I highly recommend you to watch this content here, because I'm not saying that I have the best content, whatever, and absolutely not. But I mean, it's working very well, to be honest with you, and you will see by yourself. But this is a really good Fibonacci video if you want to check this out. And of course, there is the ABC correction wave, so ABC zigzag and ABC flat patterns for free on the website, so you can learn also some patterns here, basic patterns. Anyway. So here, to find the wave 4, as I say, you place it from the wave 3 bottom here, okay, to the wave 3 root. In that case, you have your first target here, that is a 23.6, surprise, surprise, where do we find our resistance? Into the 23.6. If we do not stop here, we can look towards this 38.2. So we find this confidence with the possible targets here. These are targets where I'm going to look for a short. I'm just saying that I am going to look for a short. I am not going to take a short here. I'm just going to look for a short. The order flow is going to tell me if I have to take a short or not. Simple as that, really. And now we are approaching the view up here, where we can maybe find our support, because we have normally a session below here. Now are going to bounce off that, only time will tell us, and only I cannot tell you here because yeah, that's nice for now, but maybe I'm going to tell all the data at the moment, and we are maybe going to go through another 30 minutes. I'm going to check on the 3 minutes, but I mean yeah, we have to touch this to see real direction here. Anyway, so these are really the two levels we have to look at clearly. Yeah, for the wave 4 to be done now. I mean, the thing is, do you think this is a good short to take here? If you already shorted this top here, if you already shorted this top here on the channel, I mean, do you really want to risk something here? It's really up to you, clearly. Personally, yes, because I'm a day trader. I absolutely don't care, because I'm just reading the order flow. I did some really nice gains all the way down here, so to be honest, to take one loss, I absolutely don't care. Of course, I took some loss before, because I said I cannot not take a loss. It will be a big lie if I just tell you that I'm not taking some loss. Of course, I'm taking some loss, but my profit, of course, are more important than my loss, and this is the most important. And yeah, of course, sometimes you have some good reactions on the levels you want to trade, but you still get rigged, because yeah, this is just probabilities, and you have still, for example, 10% where you can get rigged, and this is a game playing. But anyway, here I'm just going to check out the order flow. If the order flow is good to take some short, I'm going to take some short, of course. If not, I'm just going to wait for other levels to be hit. So that's why maybe use exo charts, use your confidence with daily naked path control, weekly path control, sessions, TPO, all the stuff like this, where you can find your confidence to add to your targets clearly. Okay. Now it's really up to you. You really have to think about, hey, I'm a swing trader. We just have to do a wave 5 normally to the downside here, or maybe you can drop from here, because we can go really more down here. It depends. Normally no, but in just watched the yesterday update, is the good short to take? It's really up to you. You really have to ask you the question, and you really have to also know how to read the order flow, because I'm not saying to short here. You have to look for a short, because these are resistance clearly for a wave 4. Okay, so anyway, now if we can do, can we do the work for the wave 5 to find the wave 5 targets? Yes, we can do the work for the wave 5. I'm going to give you the more likely one. Now we should go normally to the 1620 if we have to go more down here. This is a more likely one, or just to take the price low, big low. But anyway, to do from here, from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 bottom here, to wave 2 here 1618, to the wave 4 let's take the 38.2. And we have the 100% here, so normally we should stop around there. Now that will be, we take the low and we pump it up. So this is the first right here that will match us up with the 618 right there. Okay, almost. Now I'm not going to tell you everything, because I'm not going to tell you everything. I mean, you can see by yourself that we are going to maybe just take the low and pump it up. This is possible. Now this will be with the wave 4 with the 38.2. We're going to stop here. So in that case, here's the 100%. Here's the most current right here is on the 1618. So this is cool. Now we're going to drop now. We're going to drop later. I absolutely don't know. Only time will tell us. Only time I have the answer. And yeah, that's all really. So anyway, and are we in these waves, by the way, because we can still be in the double wave 1 2 1 2 here. So in that case, fibs are not the same, and we're in some other configuration. But anyway, so this is the next target if we have to go more down, to be honest with you. Otherwise, you can take the low swing for the panel, stuff like this. That's all really okay. And we'll completely break everything and go to the next third level here. But this in terms of probability is less likely, because normally we should be in a wave 4. Now if we have to accept that we're in a wave 2, we are in a wave 2, and that's the game clearly. So anyway, yeah, that's all really, I think. So if you want to learn Elliott Wave, as always, you're at the right place. You have all this course here available with some quiz below here. You can see here on the website some cards where you can get every information on every single patterns. For example, here in impulsive, what is a wave 1? What can be a wave 1? What can be a wave 2? What can be a wave 3, 4, 5? What is a wave 2? What is a wave 4? I mean, some information on that for the retracement. Some more information. What are the extensions of the wave 3? What are the wave 5 extensions? All the stuff like this. I mean, targets. And for example, also ABC zigzag, the C waves, the B waves, for information on every smaller wave, what can be a smaller wave. Here, for example, the A wave can be an impulsive or a leading. The B wave will always be a correction wave, ABC, WXY, WXYZ, triangle, everything. I mean, that's why there is 3 dots next. C wave will always be 5 waves, impulsive or an ending, for example. Okay, so, and you have this, of course, on every single wave. For example, if it's ABC flat, ABCD, triangle, everything. You can also learn Excel charts with some really, I mean, if you want to, if you know Elliott Waves already, I mean, maybe not on the website, but go and learn Excel chart, because this is something really gonna just help you so much. Like really, this is really crazy. And you have a lot of course on this. You can download some PDF and some other stuff like this. And of course, if you're a beginner, you do not have any base in trading, you have this beginners part on the website. You can really learn the most basic things, the most basic stuff, but some really important stuff. Okay, so anyway, and you have also some bonus video, bonus content here, and some other stuff with investor. By the way, you plan some trades to buy all the stuff here. That's pretty insane, and we're reporting this. So anyway, that's already. So hope you all enjoyed. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to share this content everywhere, so everyone know how we are trading this market, because this is absolutely insane. I'm not sure that you have seen on YouTube some, if we go there, some people really trying to show and to give you the best target of the best target here, to try to look for a show and to tell you you should not try to long into the breakout here, to give you this short opportunity here and to give you this long opportunity here. I'm not sure that we got some people giving you this on the whole Twitter, whole YouTube, everything clearly. Okay, because this, I mean, most of the people are just scared to buy the dip or stuff like this. We are absolutely not, because we are ready. We was ready already when we was here. We was talking about the targets low. We was ready. This is in the plan. We have targets planned here. Targets are targets. These are the strongest targets I'm giving to you, and that's all really. Okay, not giving. I mean, you see by yourself. I did not give you any targets before. I mean, all the way down here. I come to you to give you to say, hey, we are approaching the last support, so you can maybe expect some nice reaction there. And this is where we find our support clicks. That's pretty cool. So hey, don't forget by the way also to go on Twitter to write maybe some few reviews if you want. So if you enjoy the content, if you want to, by the way, do this on the Discord service, help me also a lot. So you can absolutely do a text testimonials. You will be then on the website if you want, by the way. If you don't want, of course not. And if you can make, by the way, some videos too, if you want. If I can load this, that would be nice. Anyway, so you don't have to record your face, you know, and you don't have to get, for example, the MOONCHARTS website in the background on your computer, all the stuff like this. So if you want to do this can help me a lot. So anyway, take care of you, have a brilliant day, and let's see what is going to happen next. If we're going to bounce off this, I mean, to maybe reject one of these two threads here, if we're going to go just through, complete everything, this is possible too. Okay, this is absolutely possible, so be careful, really read and know the flow. And yeah, if we're going to drop more to the next target, clearly apply here. Only time will tell us. I'm so excited to go more down. Really, I'm so excited because I'm waiting for it. I mean, we are just range bound for 5 months now. I mean, we was range bound for 5 months, and this is just, oh my god, this is crazy. This is good to trade. Yes, we got some really insane trade inside this one, but I mean, this is boring to just trade at the same price. This is really boring. And now we are finally below everything, and I just want to dump it more, dump it to the hell. Absolutely don't care. This is just more and better to buy Bitcoin, clearly, and not to the hell. This will be extremely good to buy Bitcoin already. But anyway, so have a brilliant day, take care of you, and see you in another one. Cheers.